Yeah, so we're gonna replace this old radio, you see me, for this new radio. You see, Joybring. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you guys wanna pick one up for yourselves for this radio. You see me? So this is the radio. Pretty simple. And you get your reverse camera and so forth and things. You see it? Right, so here we have the 7-inch double-din car radio, you see me? So this is how the main screen look, you see me, and we are go through each of them. So this is the radio, and this is how it's set up. You see it, you know, FM, AM, and so forth. So we go back to home. This is the Bluetooth, which is already connected to my phone. So, you know, BT call, phone book, call log, and the music. So we have the phone link, which is going to ask you to connect your phone. So just quickly go ahead, connect my phone, and which you know it will start charge. And this has Apple CarPlay, which you can see Google Maps and so forth, music, and this is the main screen for the Apple CarPlay. You see it? So this is how the CarPlay music part set up. You see it? You play it.
Yeah. I beat this just the way I'm on.
Yeah, and then when you press this again, it shows you your maps with the music, and you know you can use Siri and talk and so forth. You see it? Here we have the phone part. You know you have the keypad, the recents, favorites, and you dial the number you want to dial and things. You see it? Here we have the settings, so we're gonna go inside it. And this is how inside I look. You see me? So we're going to go into the appearance. I put it on automatic and I adjust the camera phone. Yeah, this is how it look when it's in day mode. Put it back to always dark. Adjust back the camera. You see me? But you can see on this side, every time when you open something new, it come up on the left side right here. You see it? So for example, I'm going to go back in settings, come out and press phone. You're going to see the phone icon appear back on the left. You see it? So if you want to go back to the main menu of the radio outside of the CarPlay, you can press car home, right? Or you can press the home button that is right here. You see me? And you go back to the main screen. First I'm going to show you the controls on the radio. So I'm going to plug out the USB. Put back this here, and as you can see, you have your volume button, back and forward button, your home button, your auxiliary, your USB, and so forth. Yeah, you have a memory card slot right here, so you see it. Right, so you know you have your USB, but not having a USB, SD card, AV in, FCAM, right? Setup. So we're gonna go into the setup part right now, showing the settings on the radio itself. So in here, you know you have your system settings. You see me? Language, audio. Now this is an interesting one. The audio right here is at 15 right now for your Bluetooth. So anytime when you start the car and the radio come on and connect to the Bluetooth, it automatically starts at volume 15. You see it? So if you know you're a person where like you load music as you enter your car, you can just turn it up. So as you start your car, your music start playing loud same time. You see it? But I leave mine at 15. You see, 15 are the sweet spot for me. Yeah, so then you have your display, the brightness, contrast and so forth. The time setup, which you can see, you see it, Bluetooth setup and thing, you see it. Right, so you see the controls over here, them change color by themselves, probably like, I don't know, every 20 seconds or 30 seconds. But I'm gonna hold the camera and make you see, so it change color, you see it. So suppose so. Now they are green, probably change to yellow or red after, but when I go see it for myself, you see it. You see it change color then now, like it I go to green. You see me? Alright, so overall, it's a pretty decent radio. You see me, I like it. But I give it like a 9 out of 10. You see me, you get the job done. It's really decent, you see it. Probably down in the future when I more get the hang of the radio, I do like likes and dislikes. What I like about the radio and what I dislike about the radio and things, you see it. But yeah, the radio is solid. So remember, I'm going to leave the link in the description below if you guys want to pick up this radio for yourselves, you see it. So just click the link in the description and purchase it through Amazon, you see it. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I appreciate everybody who support the thing. You see me? Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.